try these pickles. I always don't be having everything ready. Y'all, most of my onions at the top this time, which I ain't tripping because look at them. Might as well try these and stay up here. Hard to get one out. So like I said, I am working on canning, y'all. All I really have to do is get some jars that's smaller than this, because I can't can a jar this big. I think it's only 32 ounce or smaller. This is a 64 ounce. I for sure got the flavor. Now all I have to do is can these for y'all, because I can't send refrigerated pickles because they have to stay refrigerated, and I don't know nothing about all that dry ice and all that. They're gonna hit every time. Y'all already know. They're gonna be coming soon.
Hit that subscribe button.